Good evening viewers. Today problem is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then what is the value of x to the power of 23 plus 1 by x to the power of 2024. Here we need to find the x value, then we can solve the problem easily. Here given x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Okay, so here what is the LCM? X. So by doing cross multiplication, x into x, x square plus, here x can be written as x by 1. So 1 1 is 1 is equal to 2. So x square plus 1 is equal to, by doing cross multiplication here, you will get 2x. If you take 2x to left side, it will become minus 2x. So this is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. So by taking square root on both sides, you will get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. So by taking the x value in this, we have 1 to the power of 2023 plus 1 by 1 to the power of 2024. 1 to the power of any power is always 1 plus 1 by 1 to the power of any power is always 1. So this is nothing but clearly 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So our option is 2. Okay, so our option is 3 and the answer is 2. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you.